All the first questions. First of all, we have to expand 1 plus x to the power of 3 by 2 to 4 terms. Okay, so it's going to be equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 upon 1 factorial into x power 1 plus 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 factorial into x power 2 plus 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1, and I think 3 by 2 minus 2 upon 3 factorial x power 3. Okay, so let's calculate that thing. It's going to be 1 plus it's just 3 by 2 x. Okay, plus I think it's going to be 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is 3 by 4, and that thing divided by 2, that's going to be 3 by 8. So this is 3 by 8 into x squared. It's going to be negative, I think. So it's going to be negative of so this will be minus 1 by 2, sorry, this will be positive 1 by 2, and this will be minus 1 by 2, right? So now here it's going to be minus 3 by 2 power 3 and then 3 factorial. So 3 by 8 into 3 into 2, so that's going to be 3 by 16 into 3, so it's actually 1 by 16. Yeah, so it's going to be 1 by 16 into x power 3, so negative x power 3 upon 16, something like that. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So the second part is 9 plus 2x to the power of 1 by 2. Alright, so 9 plus 2x to the power of 1 by 2, and we want to expand to 4 terms. So it's going to be equal to, well, maybe I can first of all pluck out a 9 from that. So it's going to be 9 power 1 by 2 and then 1 plus 2x by 9 to the power of 1 by 2. So that's going to be equal to 9 power 1 by 2, and then let's expand this till 4 terms. So 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2x upon 9, so that's just x upon 9 itself. Okay, then plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1, so that's actually negative 1 by 2, so it's going to be negative 1 by 4. So negative 1 by 4, that upon 2 factorial, that's negative 1 by 8, and that thing into 2x upon 9, that's going to be, I think, negative 1 by 36 into, wait a second, that's supposed to be square over there. Yeah, that's supposed to be a square over there. So let's do it like this. So it's going to be negative 1 by 8. Yeah, that's correct. This is negative 1 by 8 into 2x upon 9 squared. So that's going to be 4x squared upon 81. Yeah, looks like that. So this cancels, just get a 2 over there. And then what else do you have? This is 81 over there, so it's supposed to be 162, and then you got x squared. Okay, and what about the third term? So it's going to be 1 by 2 and then negative 1 by 2 and then negative 3 by 2, so it's basically positive 3 by 8. So positive 3 by 8 into 3 factorial, I think. So 8 into 3 into 2, so this guy cancels, so you just get 1 upon 16 over there. So positive 1 upon 16, and then this guy cubed. So this guy cube, that's going to be 8x cubed upon 729. So this is just 2 over there. So 729 times 2, that's, I think that's going to be 35 and 58. Yeah, that looks correct. So over here 729 doubled. Why is this over there? Okay, so it's going to be negative, oops, positive x cube upon 729 into 2, which is, okay, you got a 58 over there, and then 35, no, 14, sorry. Yeah, that's like it. So yeah, just multiply this by 9 power 1 by 2, which is basically 3. So this is 3, so that's going to be equal to 3 plus x upon 3 minus x squared upon 34, yeah, plus x cubed upon, so 4, 12 and 25, it's supposed to be 6 over there. No, sorry, not 6, it's supposed to be 8. My mistake, it's supposed to be 8. So 4 and then 25, so we need a 8, and then 18, which is 6. Okay, so yeah, that's for this question. And let's move to the last question. So let's erase this stuff. Yeah, so the last question is this thing. So like 3x squared plus 4y squared raised to the negative 2 power, and we want to expand this to 4 terms. So let's just pluck out this 3x squared first of all. So it's going to be 3x squared raised to the negative 2 power, and then 1 plus 4 by 3 y squared by x squared raised to the negative 2 power, right? So this is equal to that guy, which is equal to 3x squared raised to the negative 2 power. And then we want to expand this to 4 terms. Yeah, that will be fine. So yeah, let's just do this. Actually, now this depends on whether we take out the 3x square or the 4y square, but let's just expand it anyway. So it's going to be equal to 1 plus actually minus 8 by 3 y squared by x squared. Okay, and then you need minus 2 minus 1 is actually minus 3, so it's minus into minus is positive 6. Yeah, so it's going to be plus 6 upon 3 factorial, which is also 6, and then that thing times 4 by 3 y squared by x squared, so that's going to be, I think, 16 upon 9. So 16, what am I doing? So it's supposed to be 16 upon 9 into y power 4 upon x power 4. And then the next thing will be, you will have 6 into, it's supposed to be negative first of all. So 3, and then you got 4, so 6 into 4, so it's going to be negative. Yeah, actually that kind of cancels. Hey, that's nice. So yeah, because now it's going to be, I think, 3 factorial. No, this was 3 factorial, so it's going to be 4 factorial over there. No, wait, something is gone wrong. Yeah, right, so something is gone wrong over here. It should have been 2 factorial, right? Yeah, so that would make it plus 6 upon 2 into 16 upon 9 into y power 4 upon x power 4. So this guy just turns out to be 3, so this turns out to be 3 over there. So it's 16 by 3 into y power 4 upon x power 4. That's more like it. So 16 upon 3 into y power 4 upon x power 4. And then what's the next term? So it's going to be negative, and it's going to be upon 3 factorial, which is just 3 into 2. And then on the top you will be having 2 into 3 into 4, right? So wait, 2 into 3 into 4, yeah, that's correct. So that will be like 6 into 4, so this cancels, so it's just 4 into whatever the next thing is. So 4 into 4 cubed upon 3 cubed, and then y power 6 upon x power 6. So it's like 4 power 4 upon 27, and then y power 6 upon x power 6. So 4 power 4 is just 256. So 256 upon 27 into y power 6 upon x power 6. And then I will just multiply this by this thing, which is actually 1 upon, yeah, I think it's like 1 upon 9x power 4, something like that. Okay, so that's going to be equal to, yeah, that looks correct. So nice. It's going to be equal to 1 upon 9x power 4 minus 8 by 27 y squared upon x power 6, and so on. So yeah, it's basically just this thing. So cool, I will see you in the next video.